Welcome to the 7th devlog of making a game in LOVE2D. And in this video, I think I will actually make the XP system for our game. So you are currently watching Attachment Studios, and let's get started by adding one more variable in the player table of the player data, that is player dot xp. So this will be the xp of um, the player. That's simple. So in starting, I think we will write that to as 0, and next I think we will be writing player dot required xp. So here we write required xp. So this will be the xp level that will be required by the player. So let's also start this by 0. Now one more thing I will do, like player dot level, that will actually depict the player level. I think we will do something more about the player level, and I think so. I think so. We will be doing it later. So in this video, I think we will be completing the XP system completely, and I think then by the next videos we will be making an XP bar. That might be good idea. So let's do like this. So we also have a require XP. Now I also get some more ideas about XP is getting changed. So let that be like require XP gen, that is required XP generation, that will actually generate the required XP, and let's also set that to 0. So what we will do is that we have made actually 4 variables. So all the 4 variables actually um, will be important variables, I think. And I think require XP gen, you can skip that. So first we will also add one more line in add point. We will write player dot xp equals player dot xp plus 1. Now as you know, the above line says that it will increase score by 1, then this will increase xp by 1. Now I think yes, so we will get to love dot update dt delta time and make a xp system over here. So here we write xp system, and let's get started with this xp system. So first of all, let's make a comparison. If player dot xp equals player, or wait, this will debug. Okay, player dot require xp, then it will actually do like player dot level dot or not dot, but actually let's do like I need to think what to do. Is equals to player dot level plus 1. what this will do is that it will just increase the player level by 1. And what else should it do? So we will now write end. Now we will also add a line that player dot xp equals player dot or actually let's first make for require xp and then make for xp. So we will write require xp plus player dot require xp gen. So what this will do is just add the amount of the generation that should be added to require xp. So after this we will also write a code player dot xp equals what should be it equal to I think it might be equal to 0, and actually it should be, yes, player dot xp equals to 0 such that the xp system will restart. And after the level 1 we will also write a code or maybe not now, we will write it over here that player dot require xp gen is equals to player dot require xp gen plus whatever the amount of xp gens you want to add more. So for me I will choose 100, I think so. So 100 might be a good level. So what it will do, these all will do is that it's simple. Whenever the player will complete its requirement for XP, the player level will increase by 1 and required XP will be actually changed by required XP gen. So that is how much more the player XP needs to be generated, and then player XP gen would be actually increased by 100, and at last the player XP will be 0. So I think this actually will work, and it's still there and there's still some time. So I think before that we should also add some more things over here. So let's do like love dot graphics dot print, and what to print, that is player dot xp dot dot. Well, this dot dot means this will actually continue variables, text, strings and numbers and much more together. So for here I am taking the two variables player dot xp and actually a string that will be slash, just this much. So again, and connect it with actually player dot require xp. Now it's not xp gen, it's xp, it's basic xp, require xp. Well, that's it. So I think I will also add one more text, that xp column, and now I think that's good. Well, now I think that's good. Also this. So now here we have it. are some basic features related to XP. Now I think we should also do like love.graphics.print dot graphics dot print, and I will print um uh, na sini, and I will print level. Not, I will need to change that level, and again a column, and then I will write dot player dot level. Where's level? Okay, here it is, level. So the level commands, this will actually show level. Well, we forgot here something, of course, that's its position. So it must be like 0 plus device dot x and 20 plus device dot y. That's quite simple. And for this I think I will do the same thing, that is comma 0 plus 0 plus device dot x comma 0 plus plus device dot y. That's not 0, that's 40. I'm sorry, and that's okay. So now we have an display. So I think we are ready for playing the game once again. Let's try that. Let's save that. So we have saved it. We will get to Love for Android and hopefully test it. Let's do like, I need to remove that. So here it is. Now we have some, actually player level must be changed, but I will change that later. But first let's see this. So that's, I think, a error. I don't know why it's changing twice, but I will check. Actually that's okay. 100 plus 100, that is 100 plus player required XP gen plus 100, that and player required XP gen is 100 and required XP is 100. Then I think that's correct, and I need to change that level 2 options. Well, player level starts with 0. Then is this even? Okay, that's even true or what? Yes, that's true. Player XP require XP gen, but I know I don't want my player to be actually at direct level 2. I want him to be at level 1 at first. So this is well, when 0 is equals to 0, then 0 is equals to 0 plus 1, that is 1. Well, player dot require XP is still okay. So here we made a mistake. We need to add where is it? Okay, here we need to change this to 100. I think so. or is it? Okay, now that's good. We will try it once again. Let's try it once again. And I think it's bean time. I really need to remove the FPS for now. And see, we have actually corrected the game. So for here, uh, it is working correctly, and I think that's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.